Hey, this is the Brightown solar address number sign. It's pretty simple. It comes in this little box, and it comes with these adjustable rods that you can thread together, meaning you can use one, two, or three to set your height. The light itself, it's small, but it's sturdy. It's strong. It feels like it's got a really good solar charging on top of it. It comes with the letters, multiple letters and numbers. You get these little templates to set your number of addresses. Pretty simple. I was able to put this all together pretty quickly. What I do like about it is how simple. So I just thread a couple rods together, push it in the ground. The back of it has these little holes that go right into the top of the bracket. So the bracket's already got two screws protruding out. So it just simply just slides on there. It's not crazy heavy duty, but it definitely gets the job done. What I was impressed the most about was the fact of how bright it is. It does have two adjustments for color, so you can get the cool look, or there's a little switch on the side that you can get the warm look. Other than that, it just comes on once it's dark and stays on. It just gives a nice extra look to your property, more professional look. If somebody's driving by and it's really dark, you can see it from the road quite easily. So check it out if you want something like this.